So we are in Airbnb. It's a little house. It's cute. That's the backyard. This is the area. This is like 8:30 in the morning. Blue skies. Blue skies. And we're gonna go to the beach. We just had breakfast and coffee. We're gonna go to the beach, and tonight we have our murder mystery dinner. I'll see you then. Ciao, Bella. Okay, we found parking.
Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah.
Finally, we are at the beach. Virginia Beach. I didn't know they had a little amusement park.
Me either.
Rosa.
I think that's good. So it's one, we have to be back. At 4, but we'll use it.
Heck no.
It's really not that hot, though. It doesn't even matter. It kind of feels comfortable.
Yeah, that's because we by the water.
It is nice.
Near the house. We was burning up.
We're in Virginia Beach right now. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people. We is in the building.
Not our building, somebody's building. And we go to the beach, and we're going to just, while we're here for 6 days, we're doing highlights of the trip, and we'll pull it all together, neat and package for y'all to enjoy. All right, see you later. We're going to crime murder tonight. Can't wait. Hope we solve the crime. Take the criminal mind, you know what I mean? Bye, y'all.
Peace.
So excited to see a pier.
As long as it ain't an apple. Got a whole pier.
As long as it's not National Peach Cobbler Day, I don't care.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, we came in at the right spot too. Fishing pier, girl.
Ocean eddies. Right? That's the pier. That's the pier. Sunny.
What am looking like that on this, girl?
You got a scratch on your phone?
Yeah, that's bad.
Maybe your lenses look dusty.
No, look, it came thin in. Fishing pier, y'all. We found the fishing pier. And it was like, we were just led right to it. Right to it. Yeah, look at that picture.
That looked like Puerto Rico. You want to walk to? The only thing is missing is the gates.
Yeah, want on the fair?
Yeah.
I want to check out.
Right, girl. Lunch.
Anything decent?
When we grilling? Oh, we got dinner tonight at the thing.
Grill tomorrow.
All right. Lunch or dinner?
We can do breakfast.
Well, I was gonna make breakfast.
Yeah, you can already plan.
But we could. I don't care. Breakfast just means to break a fast. Dang, it is crowded. This looks like Brighton Beach. What signs? Oh, they must be selling something. Oh, you gotta pay to get in? 6 a.m. to midnight. People just all in my front of my view. Fishing and crabbing. I want to go crabbing. Oh, fishing and crabbing not allowed. What? Oh.
Oh. Fishing pair.
Oh, you paid $12.
Oh, you are not. Oh, you are allowed 2 rods and 2 crab pots. Do it. Why not?
Yeah, we gotta wait till we ready to fish though.
Yeah.
I ain't paying just to walk down there.
No. Spectators is $3.
I would love. We gotta try to go crabbing one day. Oh, they got a catch of the day thing.
We're not living there. There's nothing biting today.
Yeah, we ain't paying no money. We don't got rods and stuff with us. They should sell bait. Just gotta bring your own bait. Hermit crabs. Here goes her palm tree. Some dry palm tree. There they go. You could do a selfie right there. Palm tree. We are walking to the water. They're having like soccer games out here. Hot.
Oh, baby.
Girl, I ain't been to a beach in years. It does. Well, Brighton Beach.
It's crazy, right?
It looks like Brighton Beach, Coney Island Beach. Don't look like Puerto Rico.
See, that's the pier, Miami, Coney Island, and then the amount of people out here.
Water is freezing. I don't know how these I don't know how these people get here.
Body in there. That's too cold to be swimming in. That is way too cold to be swimming in.
Where the heck is it?
Daddy,
What?
we'll walk back to the hotel to the restaurant.
Oh, yeah. So we are at Fast Eddie's.
Are we sitting here? No.
And she just got her. What is that crab dish?
Seafood chowder.
Oh, seafood chowder. Is it good?
It's. I haven't tasted it. Let me taste it.
You gonna flip this around.
It's good.
It smells good.
It's good. Taste it.
Rudy Toes. We gonna see you tomorrow, baby. Baby. I think that's somebody on a raft over there. I ain't even gonna be able to blow that up. It's gonna be too fuzzy.
Yep.
It's good, right? It's all
Let's do this.
Buddy. Like recording traffic in streets
Comes in handy
and driving. Yeah, for a video.
when you need filler.
Yeah. And also, I probably could sell this footage.
To who? To who? Who's gonna buy it?
Somebody.
I'm gonna sell this footage.
In 600 feet, turn left onto 22nd Street.
Like a video of cars driving around.
The A&B thought it was so clever when you used it for the Let's Go video. So, oh, that was pretty clever. And they had the background of the trees and the traffic and the...
Seafood places all over the place. It's crazy.
Yeah, them shrimp was
They was good.
I'm gonna order that if I ever go back there.
That's real shrimp. Those are real scrimps. You want some real scrimps?
They were shrimps.
Those shrimps. Them shrimps.
Shrimps.
These shrimps
It wasn't really shrimps.
They were shrimps.
They were shrimps.
That was good.
Those some good shrimps. One day messing with some soy sauce.
What the heck is soy sauce?
You never heard of soy sauce? That's what they call soy sauce.
Potato sauce.
Soy sauce.
Whoa!
Oh, really?
Whoa! Whoa!
Looking like a stupid hatchback.
Looking like a man. Looking like a man.
For 5 miles.
That's not bad though. It's really like a straight drive. It's not hard.